Hello, trader. Hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. Looking at gold currently from the 1 hour chart, we see that gold gathering liquidity from this significant level of support, and we could see another movement on gold. Now, before we discuss how we can trade in this situation, first of all, let's quickly look at bigger picture, starting with the monthly time frame to see overall picture in the market. Now, from the monthly, we can see that gold is a long term bullish market with this monthly impulse on gold creating a series of higher low. Gold has formed this huge bullish momentum. Now with this bullish move this month, we have seen that gold couldn't create any new higher high. Instead, it has created a lower high, and so far gold is in a downtrend on the local time frame. And at the same time, we see that gold currently in this support level, and from this support we have seen that gold had a immediate bounce initially on the lower time frame, and I think that gold might be bouncing off further to the resistance level on the lower time frame before dropping down further. So locally we could see that some upside momentum on gold. If we look at the weekly time frame, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly 20 EMA, and we saw back to back 2 weeks of sharp drop to this support level. Now this is a, from the weekly perspective, this is a very high liquidity zone, as there is a weekly opening and closing. The huge bullish engulfer has closed there, and there is another bullish momentum has started from this level, and we saw the price has come down, tested this zone. And if we take our Fibonacci to see the pullback, we see that the price has come down exactly at 38.2% Fibonacci level, and after breaking that low we see the market again bouncing off this level, creating new higher high. Now what we see that in that level on gold, the price currently breaking this high after testing this weekly support level. And what I think that as it is a long term bullish market, we could see that gold again bouncing off this level, and it is possible for gold to break this previous weekly high. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we can expect from this liquidity zone to go back to this another liquidity zone. At this point we could see a local drop to this weekly support on the lower time frame, then we can look for buying opportunity for this potential move towards the upside. Now looking at the daily to see how the market is doing, we can see that from the daily perspective, this is a long term bullish market. With this daily time frame, there is a very strong impulse, narrow correction. The price was creating series of higher high and higher low, and then we saw a local breakdown from this level on the daily time frame. And with that breakdown we saw the market has tested this important resistance here as a support and form a long weak candle. Yesterday we saw that there was a sharp rejection from this level. Now today so far, after testing this high, we can see that gold currently tested the high, created a lower high, and we can expect for this price to come down to retest this level, and from that zone we can expect for the price to bounce off. This is where we will look for potential bullish trading opportunity on gold on the lower time frame. Now looking at the intraday perspective on gold, we see that this is where we have seen there was a strong bullish engulfer followed by a couple of sessions of pullback. The market again trying to create another bounce to the upside, though it is a locally downtrend. We will look for potential liquidity grab from this level on gold. Now looking at further lower time frame from the 1 hour chart to see how the market is doing, we see that there was a sharp rejection. This impulse is a very strong impulse, followed by in this lower time frame we see a bull flag formation. Now with that bull flag, we will be waiting for a clear breakdown from this bull flag, and with that breakdown what I think that we could see a retest of this neckline of this previous resistance here, which is turning support here. And with that resistance turn support, we can look for buying opportunity on gold. And as soon as we find suitable entry on gold, we will look for going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, guys, leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.